English together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Together. Today, we're going to learn the difference between the terms everyday and everyday. But first, let's watch a short English conversation that uses both of these terms. English conversation.
Hey, what are you up to today?
Oh, just the usual everyday routine. Work, chores, that kind of thing. How about you?
Same here. I'm so tired of my everyday routine lately. Even though I go to the gym every day, my everyday life has been feeling boring.
I understand. However, it's good to do different things sometimes, not just doing the same things every day.
Definitely. We should try to do something different at least once a week, even if it's just trying a new restaurant or going for a walk in a new park.
We need to change things up. How about we do something new this week?
Good idea. It would be nice to break out of our usual everyday pattern.
And we should go shopping this Sunday to get some new everyday clothes.
That's perfect. Buying new clothes will help make our everyday lives more exciting.
Exactly. New week, new clothes, new experiences. Let's do it.
I'm looking forward to it.
Now let's take a closer look at the difference between everyday and everyday. Everyday is an adjective that describes something that is normal, common, or routine. It's used to describe things that are part of our daily lives, like everyday clothes, everyday chores, or the everyday routines. Everyday, on the other hand, is an adverbial phrase that emphasizes that something happens on a daily basis. For example, I go to the gym every day. Remember, the adjective everyday usually comes before a noun. The adverbial phrase every day, on the other hand, is typically seen after a verb. Remember, practice is the key. Try to pay attention to how you use every day and everyday when you use them. Maybe you won't get used to it at first, but practice makes perfect, and you'll get used to using them correctly. And that's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a like and share it with your friends so they can learn this too. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.